Hi students, I hope everybody's doing great. So this video is made with the purpose to guide you through your work for the second week of your packet, which is Monday, May 4th up until Friday, May 8th. So previously, Miss Mejia did a read aloud with you about the story Marvelous Manatees. So if you haven't seen that video, make sure to watch it because it is going to help you get your assignments done for this week. So on Monday, May 4th, you are asked to read the stories Marvelous Manatees, which you may do so by watching the video that Miss Mejia made and following along or just listening to it, whatever your choice is. And aside from reading the story or following along, you are asked to highlight important details or things that catch your attention. So just a heads up, there's no right or wrong answer for this. Just highlight anything that catches your attention, something you think is interesting, stuff like that. So that is what you are to do on Monday, May 4th. On Tuesday, May 5th, you are to go back and reread the story Marvelous Manatees and answer the true or false questions on page 25, which looks like this. True or false, okay? I can go ahead and read these to you and you may answer the questions at your own pace. So feel free to pause this video or go back and rewind in case I'm going too quick. So again, remember these are true or false questions, and this is your assignment for Tuesday. So the first question says, manatees are enormous mean mammals. Again, right, whether it's true or false. Number 2, you can take a manatee home with you. Number 3, boats sometimes run into manatees. Number 4, some manatees weigh 2,200 pounds. Number 5, manatees eat a great deal of meat. Number 6, manatee babies are tiny and light. Number 7, manatees like to swim in shallow water. And number 8, manatees don't sleep much. Again, feel free to reread the story before you answer these questions. And this is your assignment for Tuesday, May 5th, the true or false questions. For Wednesday, May 6th, you are asked to complete the worksheet, the meaning of words, which is this worksheet. Okay? If you need to, feel free to go back and reread Marvelous Manatees and use clues from the story to help you answer the questions. So the directions for this worksheet reads, circle the word that best defines the underlined word in each sentence. So as you can see, each sentence will have an underlined word. I don't know if you can see here clearly, but you should have the packet in front of you. So you're going to go through and you're going to read the sentences and you're going to circle which word best fits in there, replaces that word. So I can go ahead and read the questions to you. Again, feel free to pause the video and rewind if I'm going too fast or if you need to listen to a question again. And the first one says, a manatee is an enormous mammal. The word that is underlined is mammal. And can that word be replaced with the word animal or fish? Question number 2. Manatees can stay submerged for 20 minutes. The word that is underlined is submerged. Can the word submerged be replaced with sunken or bathtub? Okay, so this is what you're going to be doing for this worksheet. Just go ahead, read the sentences, and determine which one of the two bolded words will fit best for the underlined word. And this is for Wednesday, May 6th. On Thursday, May 7th, you are asked to do the adjectives into adverbs worksheet. Sorry, not verbs, adverbs, which is this one. And I wanted to remind you that we learned about adjectives last week, And a friendly reminder, adjectives are words that describe a noun. Today you will be changing adjectives into adverbs, okay? Adverbs describe a verb. You can change adjectives into adverbs by adding the ly. For example, gentle is an adjective and gently is an adverb. Notice that gently has an ly ending. That's why it is an adverb. So I'm going to read the instructions to you on this worksheet. And it says directions for the sentences below, each of which containing an adjective. Directly below each sentence, write a new sentence in which you can change the underlined adjective to an adverb, as an example above. So I'm going to read now the above examples. So I'll start off here. Actually, I'll start up at the top. An adjective describes a noun. Example, manatees are slow. Manatee is the noun. The adjective is slow, because slow is referring to the manatees. I'm going to move over. An adverb describes a verb. The poor manatee dies slowly. Dies is the verb and slowly is the adverb. Also notice it has the ly at the end, like I mentioned earlier. Just adding an ly turns it into an adverb. Moving down, you can change adjectives into adverbs simply by adding ly. Note, I said this earlier. Example, the manatee is gentle with its baby. Gentle is the word that's underlined and it's an adjective. The manatee swam gently with its baby. Notice we changed the word gentle to gently and now it became an adverb. We added the ly. So I'm going to reread the directions again. Study the sentences below each of which contains an adjective. Directly below each sentence, write a new sentence in which you change the underlined adjective to an adverb, as in the example above. So the first one reads, the manatee is a slow swimmer. The second one reads, the manatee is a constant eater. The third sentence reads, 4 hungry manatees eat weeds in Guyana. Number 4 says, peaceful manatees love to graze in shallow water. Number 5, they use their generous adoption money to help manatees. Number 6, the colorful newsletter provided good information. So I can give you an example for number 1. The sentence reads, the manatee is a slow swimmer. Notice the word slow is underlined, so we are going to change that. That is an adjective, and we're going to change it into an adverb. Maybe we can say, the manatee swam slowly. We turned the word slow into slowly. So please work on this today. Please work on this assignment on Thursday, May 7th. And then for Friday, May 8th, you are going to be working on your own manatee story. And the directions say, study the list of adjectives, which are safe, hungry, enormous, peaceful, and heavy. And also study the list of adverbs, which are gently, constantly, painfully, generously, colorfully. Then you're going to create your own story about a manatee. When you are finished writing, read your story aloud to the class or in small groups. Obviously, we are not in class, so when you are finished, read your story to your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, your neighbor, your uncle, your aunt, your cousin, anybody who you would like to share your story with. Again, I hope this video helps. Please reach out to us if you need help. Send Miss Mejia a message or myself through Classroom Dojo, through an email. Feel free to watch this video as many times as needed. And also, please, like I said, reach out to us with any questions you may have. I hope you're staying safe and take care, everyone.